Hello, Golden. How are you all doing? I couldn't help myself but to share this combo so you guys can equally try. I woke up one morning wondering how watermelon and bread would feel like in my mouth, and guys, to my utmost surprise, it was so good and refreshing. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The first time I tried, I used white bread and it was amazing, but this time around, I decided to add a little twist. I decided to use wheat bread and white bread so that I can compare which is best. I wanted varieties out of the combination, so I took 4 slices out of the wheat bread. I toasted 2 slices and left 2 slices not toasted. I added chocolate spread to one of the toasted slices and the other non-toasted slice so that I could compare the differences in texture, taste, and feel. I did the same thing to the white bread. So let's move straight to the video for the taste test. This is toasted without chocolate spread. Because of the crunch, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Yeah, an 8 out of 10. Ooh, you're invited. This is solid. Not toasted wheat bread without chocolate spread. I'm going to give this only one bite. I don't know whether I'm a watermelon lover, that's why I enjoy this bar. This is a 10 out of 10 straight.
Oh my god! Wow!
Straight. No arguments. This is a go. Let me not talk too much. Let me finish trying the others. Toasted wheat bread with chocolate. I won't eat it again.
Okay.
I'm done. Guys, this is 2 out of 10. Yeah, I've done its favor. I'm not supposed to give this a mark, but let's take it like that. I'm giving the mark depending on my taste. I don't really like sugary food. It's not toasted wheat bread with chocolate spread. Oh god. This is 5 out of 10. Guys, this is the white bread. Yeah. This is not toasted white bread with chocolate spread. But no, I'll give this one, sincerely, I'll give this one 2 out of 10. Yeah, because of the sugar. White bread without chocolate spread. I'm giving it 12 out of 10. The crunch, the combination, the taste, the feel, guys, everything is fine. This is not toasted white bread without chocolate spread. Let's go. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm full. And the last one is toasted wheat bread. Toasted white bread with chocolate spread. Immediately I hear the crunch, then I feel satisfied. It's so good. Guys, a 10 out of 10. That one too is a 10 out of 10. I'm full. I can't go any further. Besides, I'm all done. Watermelon and bread does go. Guys, the combination is extra. This is a great snack. This is a great breakfast idea, and I urge you guys to try. Just try it. Don't just conclude without trying. Try and see if you like it. Thanks so much for watching.